Hello everyone, welcome to the explanation. So in this video I am going to explain how to write a program to print prime number within a range using function. So we are going to use a function here. So here we can see we have our header files, and here we have done our function declaration. Okay, so what is the syntax of function declaration? It is the return type, function name, and the argument type. So here function name is prime. We are going to return a value of type integer, and we are going to take a single integer of type integer. Okay, single argument of type integer. So after this we'll start our void main. So you can see here I have taken a value x, j, n1 and n2. So I'll be explaining why I have used all these variables. So here first of all we have taken a range n1 and n2. I have taken for range, so enter a range, and we have read that n1 and n2. So I have used a loop here. So for loop I have used the variable j. So j equals to n1, j less than equals to n2, and j plus plus. So this is going to give each and every number in the range. Okay, so first of all in j it will be n1, suppose 1 to 100. So 1 till j is less than equals to 100. So first of all here it will come 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 till 100. The values will come to j. Okay, so in this for loop what I have done is we have passed that value of j to a function that is prime. Okay, and whatever values that comes in this prime j function, it is going to be stored in this x. Fine, so this is called function calling. Okay, so the moment it encounters this function call, so it is going to come here, not here. Okay, not here, it is going to come here. So again this is our function definition. Right, so it is going to come here. So whatever value we have passed here, the same value is copied here. So this is called actual parameter, and this p is called formal parameter. The first of all within a range 1 will come here. Okay, 1 will come here. So we are going to check whether 1 is prime or not. So you have known this code. So we are going to set a counter, a loop from 2 to less than that number. Okay, so if it is divisible by any of this number from 2 to that number, less than that number, if this number is going to be divisible, we are going to increase the value of count by 1. Finally, after performing this, we are going to return the value of count. Okay, so as you can see the value is returned and it goes here. Okay, hence the value of x becomes whatever the value of count is there. Okay, so for prime number what is the condition? If x equals to 0, it means that if the value is not divisible by 2 and less than that number, it means that that is a prime number. Hence the counter value should not increase. So here the value of counter is stored here. So if x equals to 0, printf, it is a prime number. Okay, so this is the function. So after each and every number, because it is in a loop, okay, so after each and every number is checked, after that it will come out of loop. Fine, so each time one number is checked, it is going, suppose first of all we will take 1. So 1 is there, 1 goes there, we check 1 is prime or not, we return the value and print it. Again 2 comes here, so we check for 2, 2 goes there, it checks for prime number, and we are going to print if it is prime. Again for 3, 4, 5, 6, like this we are going to call this function 100 times in order to check if whether each number is prime or not. Fine, so let's execute this. Okay, enter a range 1 and 100. Fine, so you can see that these are all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, so this is the use of function. You can use this function like this to generate any program. Okay, so thank you for watching the video.